Hi family, in today's video I am going to go over 5 steps to a successful henna treatment, what to do before and after using a full-blown henna mask, which is also known as henna dye. Henna is very important for our hair because it helps to build up those cracks that are in our hair, making our hair thicker and prevent it from thinning. This is a really powerful herb that you can use on its own, or you can also combine it with other amazing Ayurvedic herbs for hair. I use henna on Aurora hair to color her hair and to also help give her thicker hair. So I'm just going to walk you through all the necessary steps to take before and after. My first important step, I love to mix my henna treatment the night before application. This is how our henna is looking when we just make it. Now, like this, the dye haven't released yet, the dye haven't formed yet. For you to really get the full potential from your henna treatment, I would recommend that you leave it overnight. And this is how it looks when you leave it overnight. You can see how potent it looks. You can even see the dye floating at the top and in the bottom of the bowl. That when you know your treatment is really ready for you to apply on your hair. My next step is for you to use some kind of steam so you can speed up the dyeing process. I just love to use my steam cap. I normally just pop this up into the microwave for 2 minutes, and then once it trap enough heat, and then I just cover our hair up with it. With this, our dye will be able to reach the maximum potential in a short time. This third step is very important. You have to wait 24 or 48 hours before using shampoo on your hair when you are done rinsing out your henna treatment. This will be her first wash day since after her henna treatment. This is like, was it 2 days, 3 days later? So I'm coming to now wash and deep condition her hair. But first we're going to do a hot oil treatment quick for like 30 minutes with our stem cap before going in with the shampoo and the deep condition. You guys can really see her hair color from this angle. It's really showing now, most especially when we go in with the treatment 2 or 3 more times. It will really show more. For her pre-poo treatment, we're only using 2 simple things. Number 1, water for hydration. And number 2, I will add secret growth oil. This is an oil, hair growth oil, which is safe for kids. So I'm just going to spray the water, put in the secret oil. Just love to shake it good first so all the ingredients can mix together. And then if you guys are wondering why my hands are orange, because I did my henna treatment and I forgot to wear my gloves, so that just shows how strong this treatment is. I'm also going to apply some to her scalp and massage it in. Oh, your hair back, baby. Keep it back.
Please don't beat around the bush, and I don't wanna push, but you're making this hard. I know something's going on. There's dishes in the sink and trash in the front yard. Tell me, what can I do? Do I go for a walk? Should I stay with you? I'm tired of sitting on my hands, watching what I love wilt like a house plant. Do you feel alone in our home? 'Cause I feel alone in our home. Seems like just the other day I'd see your face and know what to say.
Can you go a little bit?
Now I'm
No.
staring at the ground, stepping over eggshells, spread all
That's steaming
around.
hot. It's ice water.
Tell me, what can I do? Do I tiptoe around?
Step number 5 is that you have to repeat your henna treatment for every 4 to 6 weeks until you get your desired color, your desired thickness, and then you can start skipping every 3 months or every 6 months. So I just let Aurora hair to air dry and then I'm coming to moisturize it. I'm moisturizing it with our S Secrets leave-in conditioner and also with our S Secrets curl enhancing smoothie and our S Secrets Groove Oil. So those are the only 3 products I'm using to moisturize her hair. If you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like. If this video helped you in any way, please feel free to share it. And you can share any of my other videos with your family and your friends. Thanks for watching. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, 'cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's
I'm
wrong,
done braiding
you
over
don't
her
want me
hair up.
anymore.
Do you guys see how long her hair is getting?